Poutine is a classic Canadian dish that consists of crispy French fries topped with cheese curds and smothered in rich gravy. It's a hearty and delicious comfort food. Here's a recipe to help you make authentic Canadian poutine. Ingredients: 4 large russet potatoes. Vegetable oil, for frying. 2 cups cheese curds. Substitute with mozzarella cheese if cheese curds are not available. Gravy. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 2 cups beef or chicken broth. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions. 1. Peel the potatoes and cut them into French fry-sized sticks, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. 2. Rinse the cut potatoes in cold water to remove excess starch. Then, place them in a bowl of cold water and let them soak for about 30 minutes. This helps to remove more starch and results in crispier fries. 3. While the potatoes are soaking, prepare the gravy. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and whisk continuously for a few minutes until the mixture turns golden brown. 4. Gradually pour in the broth, whisking constantly to prevent lumps from forming. Continue to cook and stir until the gravy thickens. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Keep the gravy warm on low heat. 5. Drain the soaked potatoes and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. 6. In a large pot or deep fryer, heat vegetable oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully add the potatoes in batches, frying them until golden brown and crispy. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes per batch. Once done, remove the fries using a slotted spoon or tongs and transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. 7. Preheat your oven to a low temperature to keep the cooked fries warm while you assemble the poutine. 8. To assemble the poutine, spread a layer of fries on a serving dish or individual plates. Sprinkle a generous amount of cheese curds over the fries, making sure they are evenly distributed. 9. Pour the warm gravy over the fries and cheese curds, ensuring that all the ingredients are well coated. 10. Place the assembled poutine in the preheated oven for a couple of minutes, just until the cheese curds start to melt. 11. Remove the poutine from the oven and serve immediately while it's hot and gooey. Poutine is often enjoyed as a standalone dish, but you can also customize it by adding toppings like bacon, caramelized onions, or mushrooms. It's a delightful indulgence that captures the essence of Canadian comfort food. Enjoy!